Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today is Makeup Monday. Please excuse this terrible voiceover. I'm still getting used to my new camera, and apparently, even though it's plugged in, you still need to turn it on. Go me for sucking. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate when you do that. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Thank you for all the positive comments and messages from my first Makeup Monday episode last week. I really appreciate it. You guys have been asking for lots of different ideas and looks, and I am writing them all down. I even had some girls message me on TikTok and ask me to do back to school looks. And guys, just a little message. I'm almost 40. Yeah. Back to school is not my thing, but I do have a couple of quick morning looks to do when you're in a rush. So I will definitely do those and post them on a Monday for you guys. Anyway, in today's episode, my good friend Joy messaged me and she said, "You should do that new makeup challenge." And I was like, "What's that?" So she said you just take your favorite makeup palette, you count how many shades are in it, you write down the number of shades and put it in a bag or hat or just get a number generator from Google and let that decide what 3 or 4 colors you're going to have to use to create a look. So I said, sure, let's do that. And she said, let's do it with the Jawbreaker palette, which I thought was a great idea because if you use a palette like Blue Blood or Blood Sugar, the colors already go together. It's a scheme that matches and tells a story. Jawbreaker is different. It's got a lot of different colors. Some of them don't vibe together, some of them do. So it would be a great way to do this challenge. So let's be done with this terrible voiceover. This is the look that I created. Let's watch the rest of the video to find out how I got here. Alright guys, so I'm going to fast forward through this picking of the numbers. I'm picking 4 numbers so that I have a little bit of wiggle room because I thought 3 would just not be enough, especially with the looks I do. I usually use 4 or 5 colors anyway. So Suck is one of the colors. It's an orange matte. The next color is Lemon Drop. It's a shimmery yellow color. It's very pretty. And then I have Good Morning, which is like a beige color. And then the last one is the F Word, which is like a salmony color. So I'm going to start off my look like I do with every look. I'm going to take Colourpop's concealer in the white, they call it Fair, and I'm just going to apply that to my lids. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush. I like these because they're pretty dense, and I'm going to go into Suck. And I'm just going to start stamping that onto my lid, in the crease and above the crease. Once I get that on there, I'll start doing small circles on the edge just to make sure I get a nice and good blend in there. And then if it's looking a little faded, I'll just go in and tap in some more color and then just blend out with soft circles on the edge. With an e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to go into the F Word one here. And again, I like these e.l.f. brushes because they're nice and dense. So I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to place it right on the edge of the first color, and I'm going to do small circles all the way around. This will just help that first color look nice and blended, like we blended the crap out of that color. And it's just a good transition color, I think, for this. I was a little scared of it at first, but it actually worked really well next to that orange. Now we're going to cut the crease, so I'm going to go back into that Colourpop Concealer in white, or as they call it, Fair. And I like to just put some on the back of my hand so I don't get any color transfer back into the bottle. Then I'm going to take a Morphe M421 brush. I love these flat brushes for cutting my crease. I just place some of that concealer right up in the middle of my eye, and then I just kind of look up, and then that line that it made, I'm going to go slightly higher than that so that I don't get any transfer. And then I will just follow that line down right into the center and how far I want to go out. So if you're doing a halo, I would stop about here, but if you want to do a full cut crease, go right into the inner corner of your eye. Then just take your finger and blur out the harsh line of the concealer at the edge. I'm going to take some more of the orange color Suck and just put that at the edge there and kind of blend out that line so it looks like it was never there. I'm not going to go too far into the eye because we're going to add some more color into that cut crease. Then I'm going to take the brush that had the F word on it, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to apply that a little over Suck and a little bit onto the cut crease just so we have a nice blend right there. Then I'm just going to take this Morphe brush. It's a flat-headed brush. It doesn't have the number on it anymore, guys. Sorry about that. And I'm going to spray that with a little bit of setting spray. This one is from Rimmel. And we're just going to pick up some lemon drop. So we're going to just place that wherever we still have concealer showing, and then a little bit over the F word color just so it blends and it looks seamless. Now with an e.l.f. concealer brush, which is a very small tipped brush, I'm going to pick up that last color that we selected, which is called Good Morning. It's like this beigey color. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with this color, but I decided to put that right up against my brow bone and just kind of blend out that little F color a little bit more. Okay, so I've put on the rest of my face makeup. I'm going to finish out my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of Suck and put that in my waterline and right up against my lower lash line. Now you don't have to put the color in your waterline. Just find a liner that kind of matches it. Then right under that, I'm going to buff it out with the F word color just to get a nice blend all the way around. Sorry if you can hear the neighborhood train in the background. And then because we don't have a color for the corner of the eye, I went with that small concealer brush that we put Good Morning on, and I added a little lemon drop, and I'm just going to kind of drag that a little bit into the lower lash line to add a little bit of drama. So we've added a wing, we popped on some lashes, and this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I didn't really know what kind of looks to do here at the end, but I wanted to make sure you guys could see it in its full glory. Anyway, if you guys have suggestions for other challenges or other tutorials I should be doing for Makeup Mondays, please leave me a comment down below. Next week on Makeup Monday, we will be announcing a giveaway, so make sure you have your notifications set so you can get in on that. All right, guys, until next time, bye.